What is a mortgage? This term gets tossed around by lenders and realtors alike, just hoping and assuming that people will understand. In this video, I'll explain what a mortgage really is. I was first licensed as a realtor way back in the 1980s, and I spent many years working as a full-time professional real estate investor. My partners and I have qualified for dozens of mortgages ourselves, and I have helped many clients through the process of obtaining a mortgage of their own. Subscribe and click the bell notification icon. Let's get started. According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, a mortgage is a conveyancing of or a lien against property, as for securing a loan, that becomes void upon payment or performance according to stipulated terms. According to Canada.ca, a mortgage is a type of loan used to buy a home or other property. A mortgage allows the lender to take possession of the property if you don't pay the loan on time. The property is the security for the loan. Normally, a mortgage is a large loan and paid off over many years. In layman's terms, a mortgage is a loan secured against the title of a property to ensure its repayment. If the mortgage is not repaid as contractually agreed, the property may eventually be resold to repay the debt. For a home buyer, a mortgage is an instrument where a home buyer may borrow the needed funds to purchase a home. A mortgage is registered on the title of the property, and I'll explain how this works on the next video. Few people can afford to buy a home and pay for it outright, so a loan is necessary for the average person to be able to buy a home of their own. Rather than renting forever, a mortgage is a tool that can allow people to buy a home and begin the process of paying it off. Rent will normally continue to rise over your lifetime to roughly keep pace with inflation, whereas a mortgage payment, though there will be fluctuations over the years with interest rate changes, will generally stay more constant. People will generally compare the costs of renting with home ownership to help them make the decision, whether to obtain a mortgage and buy a home of their own or continue to rent. In future videos, I will explain the details of how mortgages generally work, including some ideas for safety, not getting overextended. Do you have a mortgage question I haven't answered yet? Are there experiences with a mortgage or insights you'd like to share? Leave these in the comments below. I'll try to include these in future videos.